December 30th, 2017. I'm going to run the 3 plates behind me in some pretty cold weather. I'm going to use some really hot 9mm. It's made by Underwood. I've made a video before. It hits the steel plates pretty hard. We'll have a chance to see how they do in a 9mm. One of these targets is really new, and the plates are not coming off. So we'll see if I have to strike them more than once. And I've had a couple primer failures with this ammo already today, so it makes it a little more interesting. I'm going to run a Glock 34. We'll see how I do in the cold. Right off the bat. Boy, that very first round was a bad primer, or the gun didn't push it up far enough. Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoyed.